Graphing functions. Concept 1 is graphing functions when you're given a domain. So this is basically graphing a function except just in a limited portion of your graph. Okay, this can either be specific points. So here I have my domain. Okay, my domain is going to be at -1, 0, 1, and 2, and those are going to be the x values. And basically I am finding out what my y value, or my function, is equal to given those x values. All right. You could also have a domain that's set up as an inequality. So you'd have, say, the domain from 2 or greater than 2, less than 10, or something like that. That's another option. And that you'll have a line because it's not discrete points, but it will have endpoints. Okay, so let's do this one. We have our function here, 2x plus 1, and then our given domain of -1, 0, 1, and 2. So at -1, you can use a table if you want to solve for these values, or if it's a simple function, you can do each individual one in your head. I'm fine with that. So 2 times -1 plus 1, -2 plus 1, or -1. So at x -1, we're going to have y -1. It's going to be our point. At 0, we'll have a positive 1. At 1, we'll have 3. And at 2, we'll have 5. And you can see that if we were graphing this without a given domain, we would have a line, and our function would be linear, and it would just go along these 4 points. Okay, so we solve for those given values. You can set up a table if you want, or you can do these steps individually. You can solve for the first one and then graph it, solve for the second one, then graph it. It's up to you how you want to approach that.